Today I am going to speak about ZVS driver, or which is famously known as zero voltage switching driver, and it's mainly used for induction heaters and in flyback transformer driver. This is a flyback transformer, and the main reason why this circuit is commonly preferred is because it is 80 to 90% efficient. So you can see the diagram here. If you want, you can take a screenshot now. Okay, so first I will talk about the bigger power ZVS driver. So this circuit is a powerful one, as it is using 250 N IGBT driver. This is a IGBT. I'll show you the circuit. I have already made it here. This is the IGBT, this big power transistor. You can see. Okay, I have done the soldering also. It's a very efficient one, and during the working time, this heatsink is not at all heating up, and it's a very good driver. So this is a circuit, and this circuit could handle up to 200 to 300 watts of energy, watts of power. And let's talk about the less power one, which is, wait, I'll just change this. For changing the power, just Z44N, IRF Z44N. You can use the IRF Z44N transistor, and here also it's the same Z44. And if you are using this transistor, I'll show you this transistor. This is a transistor. So if you keep it like this, then the first pin is ground, then drain, and then source, GDS. Here also GDS. And if you are using this 44N, then you could skip this 12 volts. This is ZENER diode. You can just erase it. You don't need this 12 volt ZENER diode. I'm just here down also. Don't need this 12 volt ZENER diode. And one more thing you could do is just reduce the value of these two resistors. This could be made to 220 ohm, 220, and here also 220. So two 220 ohm resistors, and rest all part of the circuit is same. So I have also made that circuit. So this is the circuit. I hope you can see the transistor clearly. So let's move on to the practical side of this, and I'll show you the working of this circuit. These both circuits I will show it to you. So I have both the circuits over here. This is a low power one using the Z44N transistor, and here's the IGBT one. So I'll first show you the working of this smaller one. So this coming from a laptop charger, which is, I'll show you the voltage. So its output is 19 volt and 4.74 ampere, which is a maximum output. So I have connected the positive lead here and also going to connect the negative lead. Okay, the circuit has started and I'll show you the effect. I hope you can see it properly. So this was the working of the lower power transistor, and this transistor is not at all getting heated. So I'll just remove this and now connect the bigger power one. So I'll just remove the cables, and this is the bigger power one, and I'll just connect it here. So I have just connected this bigger one, IGBT transistors. I'm just going to start the power source. Just did that, and here is what's the output. Oh wait. Okay, now it's ready. It has a little bit bigger arc. You can see it. So I was planning to use this circuit inside my Tesla coil. Here you can see that there is a Tesla coil there. I was planning to upgrade it, and the upgraded the video for that will come now. Wow. So I had made another one more circuit like this, but unfortunately this inductor was of too lower value and my transistors got burned away. So this is a new circuit. These both work properly, and I will show you now I'll show you the induction heater part of the circuit. This is a very bad induction heater circuit. Means this is at 44N. It takes a very long time to heat the substances, so I will use the bigger power one. This IGBT transistor I will show you using the induction heater coil. So the circuit is ready. I just wound some thick copper wire into a coil and using a center tap, I have just made a center tap here, connected the coil, and the circuit is ready. And I'll just show you the circuit is working by using a coil which is directly connected to a LED circuit. This just contains so many LEDs, and it works at a voltage of 18 to 20 volt. So I'll just show you. I'll just keep the coil here and I'm going to connect the cable over there. When I connect the cable, look, it's very bright. So I'll just take it up. When I take the coil up, it reduces. So this shows that the induction coil is working properly. You can see it again. I just covered it with my hand. See that LED. So that induction coil is working. Now I am going to melt this wax. This is soldering iron wax. It's used for soldering, and I'll just keep it over here. I just kept it in the middle, and let's wait till the wax melts. The wax has started melting. It was just very soon. I have not even just cut the video here. It just took place in 10 seconds. The start. You can see the wax has melted. Before it was rock solid, and now it's just a liquid. I can look, it's boiling. The wax is boiling. You can see it was just so fast. It's bubbling now. What day? So I'll just remove that and keep for a second. The bubbling gradually stops. It's very hot. Now I'll just try to heat a metal with this. So I just changed this coil with a smaller one, and which is like spirally like this. This for I'll heat this metal piece. It's a metal piece. I'll just put it in the player, as this plate will get very hot. Okay, so I'll connect the cable first over there. Look how much. Okay, I'll just test this. I just brought it close and it's bright again. You can see. I'll just move that away. Now we'll go on to this part. I'll just keep this inside. Look, I had put some wax in that, and here you can see all the smoke is coming out. You can see. Look, that metal is red hot, and I can feel the heat till here in my hand. This is the power of an induction heater and an ZVS circuit. Look, I'll just put it in again, and in just a few seconds this becomes glowing red again. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and also please share my video if you feel this is very informative. And I'll do a quick update on my Tesla coil after a few days, and I'm planning to use the same circuit in that. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video, and signing out, it's your favorite Anand.